Hello guys, welcome to Holiday Vlog 5. And today is December 8, 2025 and I have decided na since hindi ko naman masyado nang magagamit yung art materials ko kasi kailangan ko na mag-work, adult life na, I'm planning to like put it in a giveaway and I'm planning to post it to my main TikTok account and Facebook and other social media for it to like have a winner, and sana hopefully may sumali since it's almost Christmas, it's December right now, and I just really want to give it away and also for someone to have a good Christmas this 2025. So hopefully may sumali, and if you didn't saw it kasi tagal pa bago nyo makikita tong vlog na to, it's this one. Nandyan lahat yung mechanics na and all, and I'm really hoping na sana may manalo and may sumali nung giveaway. I mean, a lot of my art materials are going to be given to just one person since it's a second hand na pag na binigay ko siya. So, magiging duration pala nung giveaway na yun is December 8 to 15 and i-announce yung winner sa December 20, 2025. Kaya naman, matagal-tagal pa bago siya tuluyang mabigay. So, let's just wait and hopefully talaga may sumali. So, see you by then. And let's just move on for tomorrow's kasi gabi na rin, and actually I literally just filmed this today. Kakauwi ko lang talaga ng victory concert namin, which is literally kanina lang, and anong oras na ngayon, mag-aalas 12 na ng gabi ng madaling araw, and we need to sleep. So see you tomorrow for the whole na what I got from our victory concert and what happened and etc. So, see you. Hindi pa suspend concert na Hello, I'm showing you what I got from the victory concert I attended yesterday. Since at the victory concert, they have like job booths and inikutan namin lahat yun. So, let me show it all. First, itong bag galing sa The Medical City. And then, a lot of stuffs. Just a minute. Starting off with candies, a lot of it. This one, like a handful of it. Then next is calling cards, like from different hospital and agency going abroad. And then these flyers, yes, flyers for different type of shit. Okay, and then cream, vitamins, and another flyers. It's like a booklet, I mean brochure. And then after that, I got a ball and from Samox, it's another brand. And then sticker, and then this notebook napanalunan ko siya. And this one, hindi ko ito napanalunan, talagang binigay lang nila. Okay, yun na yun so far, kasi hindi ako masyado nanalo that day, saka tiring talaga yung buong event. So that's it, and see you later because we're gonna finish all the things we haven't finished yesterday. So let's go. I forgot to show you, I got this for free yesterday. It's a luggage tag. it's cute. I'm going to give it to my mom. Because nag-abroad siya. Hello, so linis muna ako ng maayos na pagbahay. See? I need to go to the nearest grocery store here para bumili ng ulam namin. Kasi wala kaming ulam mamayang tanghalian. So, see you at the store. So hello, I'm back from grocery and now we are quite behind the schedule of what we need to do. Pero since I'm already done with having a lunch, now we gotta clean up my closet. Lilinisin ko muna yung closet ko bago yung other area since medyo natapos ko naman na yung mga tables and gamit ko na nasa table and semi yung room namin. So, unahin na natin yung closet. Kasi, girl, what is that? That's only the, first part. Like, hindi pa kasama yung pambahay ko dyan. Panggala lahat yan. So, yung babang part nung closet ko is, maayos naman na, hindi na siya nagalaw, except for this one. My gosh. So, I'm not going to furthermore gulo that one. And then, ito lang yung nakasampay kasi hindi siya pwedeng mga nakasampay yung damit ko kasi maliit lang yung space sa dami ng damit ko na panggala. And, next time, I'll probably include my closet space kasi mag-aayos naman kami dito sa bahay. And, may damit pa doon na kailangan ko din tupiin kasi maglalaba ako today. Onti lang naman yung kailangan ko laban, pero I need some hangers for that. So, let's go. If you're curious, saan ko nilagay? Diyan siya sa baba, and may sapin siya para hindi madumihan. So, let's start. I also need to clean this one. Ito, pambahay talaga to. Trying to fold everything here. I'm going to watch some interesting videos like vlogs in YouTube since going to be boring because there's a lot of it. Hindi ko pa kinukuha yun nandun, honestly. So, let's go. Here's the current situation. That one is my pambahay and then uniform. Then this one is for the stock of the squash wall and then some more that I need to pile up. And then this one is the done area. This one is a skirt. That one white one is the casual wear. And this one is long sleeve. And this huge pile is the jackets and long sleeve. I don't know why I have a lot. And this one is dresses. And this one is short sleeve and then jeans. And then some socks. So this is all of it. And as you can see, hindi na lang yung space sa taas. Let's move on to my pambahay na story. Now let's open up this bad boy. Okay. I'm tired. Hello, welcome back to the part 2 of holiday season vlog. And today, I'm going to declutter my closets since tapos ko na siyang linisin. And like I said, nung mga nakaraan, kung na I'm going to like donate clothes that I don't use anymore, and I already found a place where I can do that. And then now I'm going to declutter my closet. Actually, if you nagtataka kayo bakit parang hindi nyo makikita yung full clip ng pag-aayos ko ng closet and pag-aayos ko ng room, it's because my video got corrupted and some of like 1/4 the video is like hindi na siya mapanood. So yeah, and yeah, today magdi-declutter tayo ng damit. Let's go. And I already have this bag. I have two of it, same color. I'm planning to like, if I can, punuin siya. And let's go. So I'm done taking clothes from my closet, and now I'm going to take some clothes sa mga bags na I'm supposed to upcycle, since a lot of things there are still good that I bought from thrift store, and then I didn't even, you know, try to upcycle them. So I'm just going to donate them, and left those parang hindi na kayang i-donate, and those are the things I'm going to upcycle. So here's the following bag I have that thrift store clothes have, and we're going to declutter it together. It has 2 sacks and 2 bags here, so I'm not even starting, I'm getting tired already. Also, by the way, there's a lot of toys sa bahay na to, since my mom used to send toys in the package na pinapadala niya, and I don't know what to do with them. I'm probably going to sell them, since my mom said she agreed about that. Or maybe I will find another place where I can donate that, since the place I found where I can donate clothes don't want toys. Okay, that's another place for donation to that. Anyway, let's start. Bag number 2. May na tayo sa sako. Ang daming sako. Okay, that's not I use anymore. Doon ko lagay. This one also, hindi niya. Yung mga damit nang galing dito sa mga, ano na to, probably need ko silang labhan muna bago ko i-donate talaga. Kasi, girl, nakakaya naman kung walang laba, diba? Oh, shit. Maya naman tayo. Kung nagtatanong kayo kung saan ko ba laki donate, H&M, since I'm planning to go there this upcoming week to celebrate solo. That's actually holiday season episode. Small na sako muna tayo kasi I don't know, mas trip ko lang pag maliit. Okay, the last bag. Ito yung pinakamalaking sako. Yan siya. Ganyan siya kalaki. And nakatali siya. Hihirapan ako mga be. Dahil sake. Okay. So, I'm going to show you now what I'm going to really donate, and pinag-iisipan ko pa kasi kailangan ko ng approval or medyo nagagandahan ako. Okay. So, let's start sa galing sa closet ko. Ito yung mga damit na talagang hindi ko na kailangan laban pa muli kasi already nalabhan na sila. First off, this one, this skirt, it's not a skirt actually. It's a short from thrift store. Ayaw niya sa ganitong type ng damit. Yun, maayos pa to. Feeling ko nabili ko din siya sa skirt kasi then this one. This one. And this one, yun. Another kulay na to, pero ganyan talaga yung kulay. I don't like it kasi ang sikip niya na, and that's it. And I'm going to pack and lagay na sa bag yung mga talagang sure na ako i-donate. I'm going to put, pagsaseparatein ko yung labana sa hindi. So, para malaman ko ano yung kailangan ko pang labhan sa hindi na. And also, change of plan. Hindi na bukas yung donate. Hindi ko na siya bukas i-donate. Sa Tuesday na, since kailangan ko pa siya labhan. And, naalala ko may nearest H&M dito sa amin. So, yeah. Here's yung unang bag. Kasi naman pala siya sa dalawang bag. OA lang talaga ako. So, I'm going to pack this another bag tomorrow. See you on H&M. Bye-bye. So, nanggaling ako H&M kanina. And meron talaga silang donation box. And magdo-donate kami later mamaya. Kasi isasama. Hello, sa napaka na lahat no kailangan i-donate ngayon. Actually, December 18 na ngayon. Pero ngayon ko pa lang siya mai-donate. Kasi yesterday, buong araw kami sa labas. After namin masundo yung mom ko. So, kaabot tayo ng 3 bag. And isasama ko yung sister ko mamaya para may kasama akong taga-bitbit. Kasi 3 bag siya. Okay, 3 bag siya. See, here's the 3 bag that I'm talking about. And that one there, ano yan, chocolates. Para sa Pasko. Paipamamigay yan. So, this one is for donation. That one for our neighbors. Kids. Okay. So, let's go. Donation day and slayable. Done donating. So, we're going. Hello. So, nakabalik na kami galing sa H&M. And then, na-donate na rin namin yung 3 bag ng damit. And then, we got this 3 voucher. Ang isa dito is galing sa ate ko. And then, 2 are mine. So, donation success. So, hello, giveaway update. May nanalo na from TikTok and then napadala ko na rin siya today through Lalamove. And darating din siya today. Hopefully, mag-send siya ng response pag dumating na siya sa kanya yung package kasi para malaman natin talaga nakarating sa kanya. And hopefully, hindi mapipi yung mga ano dun. Pero nakabox naman yun, so congrats again sa winner. Actually, from ano siya, around Laguna yung nanalo. And then, since hindi ko siya pwedeng i-meet, pinadala ko sa kanya through Lalamove. And then, since parang siya lang yung only one na sumali, ako na yung nagbayad ng fee para dun sa pag-move papunta sa kanya nung package, like, etc. nung mga giveaway prizes. Since video yan.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease.
So nag-bye-bye na ako kay mama kasi babalik na siya ulit. Ngayon yung balik niya ulit sa Hong Kong.
Wild and free.
Pero yeah, Happy New Year. Okay, we're going to use this party popper na lang kasi January 1 na ngayon.
Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me crazy.